Hello kids, today I am going to draw a caricature. What is a caricature? Caricature is a face, a funny face, a portrait with a funny features like a big eyes, big nostrils, few hairs on a head, body part is very small and face part is very big. So that is called as a caricature. I will be giving one example so you can draw it and you can also make it your own caricatures. First of all, take it. I am not specifying any kind of caricature or not. I am just doing my imagination how to make it caricature. Now I am going to make it one slanting line coming inside, one more slanting line coming inside, one curve going upside, again curve going upside, and one more curve touching to the both the curve. This is I am going to show this as a forehead. Now ears like a question mark, one, there a question mark, again one curve, big curve. It should be a big curve because I am going to make it funny like a question mark, but in question mark there is a dot. We are not going to make it dot. It is coming inside to the straight line, again it is coming inside to the straight line. Now I want to make it chubby chick. So one curve there, again one curve there, and that's our chin, touching towards chin. Now this is our face feature done. Now I want to make it hair, few hairs. I'm giving a few strokes which is going curve. Few strokes there, I am giving a strokes for making hair there. Now again you can make it there. At the center you can make it straight. Now here, there, curve. A stroke is curving back. Here. Now I am going to make it eyebrow. If you are not with your human anatomy, then make it one slipping line. So it will be an equal part. Here one eyebrow rising upside. Again one eyebrow rising upside. One curve eyes, again one curve eyes portion, one closing eyes portion, one closing eyes portion. Here one more eyelids, again one more eyelids where eyelashes have settled down. Make it eyes dark and small round inside. Again same thing inside, make it dark and small round inside. Now if you want to make it some edges on the face, few upside, again you can make it upside curve, which eyebrow is rising upside. Now here I am going to make nose, one curve, small curve, and a big nostrils here, and few curves for a nose going towards center. Now one curve for a lips, which is coming down, again curve touching from both the point, and here is a lips. Here our lips is ready. Here some chin mark, here a chin mark, here a cheek mark. If you want to make it forehead, yes, you can make it forehead. Now I'm going towards the ears. One curve here, and again curve here. That is my ears done. Now if I want to make it this as a fatty man, yes, I can make it like this. One curve there, one more curve there, one slipping line inside, one slipping line inside, one curve going inside, one curve going inside, and hand by making thumb and a palm, again hand and a palm. Now this is a stomach. I want to show this as a stomach, a fatty person. And this is the collar of the shirt. This is the straight line of the shirt, and this is a button. Now I'm going to make it pant. First of all, I will be making a belt. That is my belt. This is my belt. Yes. Now one slanting line going towards downside, one slanting line going towards downside. V on a center for bifurcation of pant. Coming straight line towards down. One curve, one curve. This is our pant finish. If you want to show the pocket, yes, you can show the pocket. That is our pocket. Now if you want to show legs open and wearing a chappals, yes, you can make it like this. One big oval shape, one small. This is the front toes, front legs. Even also these are the toes and fingers. Same thing here, big, medium, small. We got 5 fingers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come at a center straight, one slanting line, one slanting line. Here our leg is ready. Now I am making a chappal, standing, slipping, standing. Same thing here, standing, slipping, standing. Here is our chappal strip, and here is our center strip. Same thing here, make it dark, and this is our center. Here our chappal is ready. Here, this is a caricature what I made it. Kids, you can enjoy with your different caricatures. You can make it your own caricature by looking your passport size photograph, and you can make it like this. Enjoy, kids.